Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to create a table of content in Google Docs. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To create table of content in Google Docs, go to your Google Docs and open your document. I am going to create a table of content for this document. Just first of all, click on Show Document Outline. Now select Content. Now click on Normal Text Style. Click on Heading 1. Now click on Apply Heading 1. Look, introduction is here. Now select Next Content and then click on Style. Go to Heading 1 and click on Apply Heading 1. Now personalized attendant is added in content. Next, select Next Content and again click on Style and then go to Heading 2. Click on Apply Heading 2. Look, now flexibility content is added under personalized attendant as a subtitle. Now click on Next. Again click on Style, then click on Heading 2 and then Apply Heading 2. Now this one, again click on Style and Heading 1. Click on Heading 1. Now click on this content, click on Style, click on Heading 2, Apply Heading 2. Now next content, again Style, Heading 2. Select Content, click on Style, Heading 1, click on Apply Heading 1 and the last of all the conclusion, select it, click on Style, click on Heading 1 and click on Apply Heading 1. Now table of content is outlined. Now go to the front page and I will insert the table of content under cover page. So keep your cursor in last word of your cover page and then click on Insert and now scroll down. You will find break here and then click on page break. Now again click on Insert, then scroll down. You will find the last option, table of content. Now select the table of content as plain text. Look, the table of content is inserted under cover page and also you can table of content. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.